Hello, everybody. In lesson 7.7, we're going to work with problem solving using the concept of money. And so we're going to be practicing something called acting it out. Okay, now I don't necessarily mean that like a play and you have lines to say. Acting out is just the process of moving things around. Okay, all right, so let's look at this. Kendra gave 2 dimes, 2 nickels, 1 quarter, and 2 $1 bills to her sister. How much money did Kendra give her sister? Okay, so let's underline the question. And so what do I need to find out? That's the question, right? How much money did Kendra give her sister? So go ahead and trace the letters. Okay, so again, how much money Kendra gave her sister? What information do I need? Well, she gave 2 dimes. So that's what they've written here, 2 dimes. But that's not all we need to know. We also need to know that she gave 2 nickels, 1 quarter, and 2 $1 bills. Okay, so that's what we need to solve this problem. Okay, so let's go ahead from your money kit. Let's get 2 $1 bills. Let's get 2 dimes. Okay, and let's see, 1 quarter. And let's get 2 nickels. All right, so that's the amount of money she gave. Okay, so let's count that as we give it to her. Okay, so we could go 1, 2, 225, 235, 245, 250, 255. Okay, so she gave her sister $2.55. Now, what if I didn't have money to count like this? Okay, and I just had paper. Well, I can draw a picture of this, right? So let's go draw a rectangle to represent a dollar, right? So she had $2, a quarter, 2 dimes, and 2 nickels. Okay, so here I would just go ahead and combine both of those dollars and say that that is $2. And then I would count the coins. 25 cents, 35 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 and 5 more, 55 cents. So we combine them. Remember, the decimal point separates the dollars and the cents. So $2.55. And so it looks like this, $2.55. Let's go to page 70. All right, use play coins and bills to solve and draw to show what you did. So Jacob has 2 $1 bills, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies in his pocket. How much money does Jacob have in his pocket? That's what we have to find out, right? Well, the information we need is 2 $1 bills, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. So let's go ahead and get that. So $2, 2 $1 bills, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. Okay, so that's what he has in his pocket. Well, I'll count that. 1, 2, 210, 220, 221, 222, 223. So he has $2.23. Well, what does that look like as a drawing? Well, two $1 bills would be two rectangles. Okay. The two dimes, and then the three pennies. All right. So we're going to circle the dollar bills and write that as $2. Count the coins. 10 cents, 20 cents, 21, 22, 23. So $2.23. All right, let's go to this number 2. Amber used 2 quarters. Amber used 2 quarters, a nickel, a dime, and 3 $1 bills to buy a toy. How much money did Amber use to buy the toy? 2 quarters, 1 nickel, 1 dime, 3 $1 bills. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 $1 bills. She used 2 quarters, a nickel, and a dime. Okay, so how much money did she spend? Well, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, and then we have the coins. 2 quarters, 25, 50, 60, 65. $3.65. So again, what does that look like as our drawing? Well, this time we need 3 rectangles because we had 3 $1 bills. Okay. And then we had 2 quarters. We had a dime. And we had a nickel. Okay. So we're going to combine the dollars and write that as $3 and then count the coins. We should know that 2 quarters is 50 cents. 25, 50. So in the quarters, we have 50 cents. 50 and 10 is 60, and 60 and 5 is 65 cents. So we have $3. The decimal point separates the dollars and the cents, so we have $3.65. Okay, we need that decimal point. Okay, we don't have $365. All right, number 3. Val used 3 quarters, 2 nickels, 2 pennies, and $1 bill to buy a book. How much money did Val use to buy the book? Okay, so 3 quarters, 2 nickels, 2 pennies, and a dollar bill. So here's my dollar bill. I need to find 3 quarters, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So how much money do we have? So if we were given this, we'd say $1, 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. $1.87. And we can draw the picture. $1, 3/4, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. Okay, 3/4, 2 nickels, 2 pennies. So that's just going to be $1, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents for the 3/4, 75, 80 cents, 85, 86 cents, 80. I'm not sure where it looked like I froze. So let's see. I said that we had $1, 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. So $1 and 87 cents. All right, number 4. Derek has 2 $1 bills, 2 quarters, and 6 dimes. How much money does he have? All right, so 2 $1 bills, 2 quarters, 6 dimes. 2 $1 bills, 2 quarters, 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dimes. Okay. All right. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 3. Okay, so this is 100 cents. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents is equal to $1. So 1, 2, $3.10. $3.10. If you didn't have play money, we'd say $1, $2, $2.25, $2.50, and then the dimes. $2.60, $2.70, $2.80, $2.90, 100 cents. Okay, so 100 cents, 110 cents. 110 cents equals $1.10. Okay, $1.10 more cents. So we have $2 here. So 2, this is, if we combine here, that's $1. $2, $3.10. And number 5, Katie has 3/4, 2 nickels, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. How many more pennies does she need to have $1.10? All right, so 3/4, 2 nickels, 2 dimes, 3 pennies. Let's find that. 3/4, 2 nickels, 2 dimes, 3 pennies. All right, so let's count that. So 25, 50, 75, and 25 more. So that's basically 4 quarters, right? 25 cents is equal to a quarter. So $1, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got $1.08. How much more? 9, 10. She just needs 2 more pennies. Okay. And so we can again draw the picture. 25. So we had 3/4, 2 dimes, a nickel. I'm sorry, 2 nickels and 3 pennies. Okay. So I said that this right here was $1 because 10, 20, 25, that's a quarter, right? I could trade 25 cents for a quarter. So that's $1 there. And then this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 cents. So we have $1.08. So how much more do I need to get to 10? 9, 10, 2 cents. All right, 378. Sorry, 372. All right, make sense of problems. Victor has some dollar bills, some quarters, and some nickels. Draw and label dollar bills, quarters, and nickels to show $2.25. So he has some dollar bills, some quarters, and some nickels. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a couple dollar bills. Okay, and then he's got some quarters. Okay, and he's got some nickels. Some more nickels. All right, let's just try that. Okay, and we need to draw, okay, and label so we can get $2.25. Okay, well, $2.25, right? That would work. So that's one method. What if he only had $1? Yeah, some dollar bills. Let's go with $1, 25, 50, 75, $1.75, $2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That would be $2.25. So a dollar bill, 4/4. Okay, because we know 4/4 is $1. And he'd have to have 5 nickels to equal the 25 cents. Okay, so that's the second way. And I'm sure you can come up with some different possibilities yourself. $2 and then it could be all nickels. We can go ahead and draw that, right? Or let's say, well, no, if you had, it would have to be, yeah, it would have to be a $2 bills and then 5 nickels to be 2.25. Okay, so that's a third possibility. Okay. All right, and finally, number 7. Ross used 3/4, 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies to buy a card. How much money did Ross use to buy the card? Draw to show how you solved the problem. How much money did he use? 3/4, 4 dimes, 3 nickels, 5 pennies. Okay, so let's draw this out. 3/4, 25 cents each for the quarters. And then we would add dimes. That's the next highest value. Okay, so there's my 4 dimes. 3 nickels. And 5 pennies. All right. So let's count forward. 25 cents. Another quarter is 50 cents. A third quarter is 75 cents. 75 and 10 is 85 cents. 95 cents. $1.05. So we'd have 105 cents. So you have $1.05, $1.15, $1.20, $1.25, $1.30, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. So $1.35. All right. So that's it for lesson 7-7. So until our next lesson, I'll see you soon.